I keep getting asked, how do I use LinkedIn article to establish thought leadership? It is a great question, and honestly, if you want to position yourself as an expert on LinkedIn, writing article is one of the best ways to do it. Let me show you how. Unlike short posts, LinkedIn articles give you the space to dive deep into topics. They are not just quick updates, they are a way to provide real value, build long-term visibility, and establish credibility in your industry. But what you should write about? Start with what you know. Share your insights on industry trends, success stories, best practices, or even lessons you have learned from your own experiences. These are the kind of topics that resonate with your audience and position you as a thought leader. Now let's talk about how to make your article engaging. Start with a strong headline that grabs attention. Use clear subheadings to make it easy to read. Add visuals to keep it interesting, and always end with a call to action. Something that encourages your readers to engage, comment, or connect with you. So, ready to make LinkedIn work for you? Start writing. And if you need help crafting the perfect article, let's chat. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips.